This morning we had two things happen. We had an unexpected snowfall, as you can see, and yesterday we made our first batch of maple syrup. So that combination inspired us to try something new with the kids, and this morning the kids and I made maple syrup taffy. So that's what's on this stick here. And yeah, so I'm going to kind of walk you through and show you how we did it, because it's a really yummy treat that you can make on fresh snow, and you can do it on crushed ice even if you don't have snow, but the conditions here just really inspired it. We set up some pans here. They just put fresh snow in them because it happens to be snowing, that we're going to make the maple taffy on, but you could easily use crushed ice instead. But yeah, since we just happen to have a snowfall, we are using the fresh snow. How does it look, kids? Look ready? All right, let's make some maple taffy. So the maple syrup has been boiling and we've hit our temperature of 235 degrees. Actually, it might be a little bit higher than that. So we're going to get this outside on the snow and make some maple taffy. So we poured some maple syrup onto the taffy onto the ice and snow. And I gave the kids some sticks, so they're gonna try and pick it up with that. Okay, yep, some of them are actually gonna turn to candy. I think we went a little bit further, which is totally fine. Just stick your stick into it and see if you can. Oh, actually, you might be able to just use your fingers and pick it up then. So I'm gonna try it on this one. We're gonna pour some out on this snow. Yeah. See, and then you just dribble it out. Add some more here.
Wait, I can have a little piece?
Yep, just make sure you're not getting the fresh stuff that I just put out here.
Like this stuff?
Yep.
So I can eat this big one?
Yep.
Like this?
Yeah, go for it.
Mmm! Tasty.
How is it?
Good.